Hi, it is Haru from HarusKitchen. My neighbor gave me quality gyutan, which means beef tongue in Japanese. They said they have relatives who are butchers and gave me a kilo of gyutan. I am really happy, but it is too much to eat once, so I had not decided what to make. If my children know that gyutan is beef tongue, they must say it is disgusting and they don't eat. Then, I came up with putting gyutan in curry. Quality gyutan keeps its softness even it is stewed, so the gyutan I have got is good for making curry. I have loved curry since when I was little. Especially, I love very hot ones, though I am not good at spicy foods. Every time I had hot curry, I regret eating it, but after some time passes, I come to want to eat spicy curry again. Can somebody name this phenomenon? This is like curiosity about the forbidden fruit. If you have a scientific theory, please tell me about it. However, I have 2 little children, so I cannot cook super hot curry, but a mild one. My children especially like mild curry, in which apple is used as a secret seasoning. And this time, I will make gyutan apple juice curry without using water as an ingredient. Because making a normal one is boring, right? They love apples. There will be no problem as long as they don't know gyutan is beef tongue. Personally, I want to eat a very hot one, but it is what it is. So, let's begin. "200 grams of gyutan, a carrot, half a sweet potato, an onion, cutting gyutan into bite-sized pieces. Cut it as you want to do. Slice an onion. You can make it slightly thicker. As for carrot, peel off the skin and cut into chunks. Cut sweeter potato into bite-sized pieces. You can use potatoes instead of the sweet potatoes, but the latter one is more delicious because it is sweet. Season the gyutan with salt and pepper and sauté in a pan. After gyutan is heated to some extent, add onion, carrot, and sweet potato, and saute further. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't film the important part. This is after I added 600 ml of apple juice. I'll be more careful. Put the lid and stir it so that all the vegetables are heated. Get rid of the scum. Add curry sauce mix and stir. After the sauce mix dissolves, add 10 grams of butter. Stir it again. Okay, let's dish it up. It is also nice to put the dried parsley on the rice. It's done. The appearance is totally the same as an ordinary one. Okay, let me try it with gyutan. Yeah, I feel its umami and tenderness. This tastes so good. One more bite. Sweet potato is sweet and delicious. The sourness of apple juice works really well. And the best accompaniment of this is asahi super dry, as usual. Okay then, we'll take our time and enjoy it. In this video, I used apple juice, but you can use tomato juice or vegetable juice instead. Taste changes dramatically depending on the juice you use, so it might be fun to seek your favorite. My kids said the apple juice curry was delicious, but I personally thought it was too sour slightly. In other words, I thought I wanted a little more rich taste. I should have added honey, chocolate, garlic, miso or something. As for gyutan, it is really important whether it is of high quality or not. The gyutan I used in this video was a really quality one, so that it was delicious. On the other hand, if the quality of gyutan is low, the more you stew, the hotter it becomes. Gyutan contains rich vitamin B and pantothenic acid, which converts fat to energy. It contains 2.5 times as much as sirloin. It's great, isn't it? It is relatively healthy because when you eat gyutan, you can take much more nutrition which converts fat to energy than when you eat other kinds of meat in the same calories. It also contains 2.5 times as much vitamin B1 which converts sugar to energy as a sirloin. As for vitamin B12, which can be prevention for the arteriosclerosis and stroke, surprisingly 10 times more. The vitamin B series is effective in relieving stress, enhancing concentration, improving insomnia, and so on. What's more, it is necessary for the resilience of skin and mucous membranes. Additionally, gyutan contains rich taurine, which is famous for the nutrition of energy drinks. It enhances liver function and prevents blood pressure from increasing when you do exercises. It is much better to take taurine with delicious gyutan than with not delicious energy drinks. And taurine doesn't go away when heated. That's all for today. Looking forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.